inside the stable.
That sounds
Cool, bud.
general.
What are you looking at? Oh.
The nails stuck in the horseshoes.
Oh my gosh, that's huge.
Just imagine how much pain those horses go through.
Believe it or not, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
Oh yeah. But imagine.
Budweiser Clydesdale horseshoes measure more than 20 inches from end to end and weigh about 5 pounds, more than twice as long and 5 times as heavy as a shoe worn by a riding horse. The horse's hoof is made of a nerveless, horn-like substance similar to the human fingernail, so that being fitted for shoes affects the animal no more than a manicure affects people. All the Clydesdales have their shoes reset every 5 weeks to ensure a comfortable and proper fit. Standard shoe. That's the front shoe. This is a hind shoe. Aren't those huge?
Gee, I want a picture like that.
Ooh. Here, Zach, excuse me. I want to get in here really quick. Ooh. That's pretty.
Oh, you can't
Those
get
are the
it.
nails they use. I can zoom in. Those are the harnesses.
Oh, there you go.